Ganesha's Annoyance with Moon God. There is yet another popular legend related to Ganesha's anger with the Moon God. One day Shiva had a visitor. It was none other than Brahma. They both were discussing something important when sage Narad walked in. As Narad was offering a wonderful fruit to Shiva, Ganesha and Kartikeya reached there. They saw the fruit and soon both wanted to eat it. They pleaded with Shiva to give it to them. But Narad told Shiva, "This fruit cannot be divided as it is a special one." Shiva was quite confused. He then turned to Brahma for a solution. "Give it to Kartikeya, the elder one," advised Lord Brahma. Shiva agreed with Brahma and gave the divine fruit to Kartikeya. Brahma's decision made the otherwise merry and mischievous Ganesha terribly hurt and resentful. The moon god, who had witnessed the whole incident, burst out laughing. He was very amused at Ganesha's jealousy. Ganesha was already in a foul mood and got very annoyed with the moon god. Ganesha curses moon god. Ganesha was being mocked at by the moon god constantly. This enraged him further. Ultimately, it was too much to bear, and Ganesha lost his patience. "You are laughing at me. Since you have insulted me so much, let us see how you will shine from now on," yelled Ganesha in fury. Controlling his laughter with difficulty, the moon god fell silent. Ganesha was still angry with the moon god, so he cursed Chandra. "O Chandra, you shall lose your lustre and shine. Those who gaze at you will be cursed too." Instantly, the entire world became dark and morose. Chandra realized his mistake and begged for forgiveness. "I was so haughty, Lord. Please give mercy on me." The gods who were watching this took pity on Chandra. They requested Ganesha to forgive him. On being besought many times, Ganesha relented and said he would change a part of the curse. Ganesha forgives moon god. The other gods pleaded with Ganesha to forgive the moon god for laughing at him. The kind-hearted Ganesha could not take back his curse completely, so he softened the curse a bit. "You shall lose your brilliance for 15 days and regain it in the next 15 days. You shall continue to wax and wane like this forever." Ganesha told Chandra, "You shall remain inauspicious on the 4th day of the month of Bhadrapad Shukla." He added, Chandra was advised by the gods to pray to Ganesha to win his forgiveness completely. So Chandra worshipped Ganesha with utmost devotion on the banks of river Janvi. Ganesha was pleased with Chandra's devotion and told him that he would get back his lustre and shine. "Those who observe fast on the 4th day of each month, Krishna Paksh, will have to worship both of us. You will also be worshipped by people on the 2nd day of every month," he added. Since then, people started worshipping Chandra too. Ganesha is annoyed with moon. There is yet another story related to Ganesha's annoyance with the moon god. On one of his birthdays, he went to visit his devotee's house on Mushik's back as usual. Since he was very fond of sweets, he ended up eating all the sweets served by his devotees. Ganesha decided to return home. On the way, Mushik spotted a serpent and lost its balance. Due to this, Ganesha lost balance and fell down. His huge belly split open and the sweets spilled out. Ganesha immediately stuffed the sweets back into his belly. Then he tied the serpent around his belly and sat back on his mouth. The moon god, who was watching this incident from the sky, started laughing out aloud. Ganesha felt severely insulted and cursed the moon god. Chandra, no one shall dare to look at you on my birthday. It will bring them bad luck. Though Ganesha later pardoned the moon god, people still avoid looking at the moon on Ganesh Chaturthi.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.